ganun?
Huwag mo i-stop, pause lang.
Sayang.
Ayun na, okay na yan. Next song!
Ikaw ang
Pause lang.
Akala ko ito yung pose eh.
Kasi pag ito, stop yan. Touchscreen yan eh. Nakasulat eh.
nagkarang lumang may kasiyahan walang
Hindi, low-tech to, high-tech yung cellphone eh. Hindi ko kuya alam eh.
ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay
Hindi mo
ko.
background yun. Background.
Sakit ng ulo ay tanggal bigla. Sa piling mo, lungkot na mawala. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ito, parang kantang-kanta mo itong mga kantang mo, di ba? Ilang beses ko bang malinaw na malinaw ngayon at anumang araw. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko.
Papos ko.
Mare, kaya alisin natin yan ko. Mare, natatandaan mo, di ba, nung pagka pinapasyalan niyo ako ni Maria sa mga kinakantahan ko, every time na makikita kayo, ito para sa inyo. Kaya lang hindi na ako pwedeng mag-gitara eh. Dahil nakita mo naman, Spider-Man na ako ngayon. Nakikita mo yung mga daliri ko. Wala na, matitigas na eh.
Balastat na.
At least, may tumitigas pa sa akin, pare. At the age of 53, may matigas pa sa akin. Ito.
Mukha na lang.
Bukod sa mukha matigas sa akin, daliri pa. Ito pare, hindi ko na kaya mag-gitara, pero I'll sing it in a cappella. She was morning, and I was nighttime. I one day woke up to find her lying beside my bed and softly said, come take me. But I've been lonely, in need of someone, as though I've done someone wrong somewhere, I don't know where. I don't know where she takes me. You are the sun, I am the moon.
Sabi ko, wala iyakan eh.
You are the words, I am the tune. Maybe songs she sang to me, songs she rang to me, words that rhyme to me, rhymes that sprang from me on the night. And what was right, she came here. You are the sun, I am the moon. You are the words, I am the tune. Maybe. And so it was that I came to travel, as though I've done someone wrong somewhere, I don't know where. I don't know where she takes me. You are the sun, I am the moon. You are the words, I am the tune. Maybe. Alright. Happy birthday. Thumbs up. Take care, birthday. Ever pakipos muna.